Welcome back, students. Today, we're going to learn how to write the alphabet, both in capital and small letters. But before we begin, make sure you have your crayons, markers, or pencils ready, as we're going to have some hands-on fun. Let's start with the letter A. It looks like this in capital, a big A. And in small letter, it's a little a. To write the capital letter A, 1. Start a slanted line at the top and draw it going downwards and to the left. 2. Add another slanted line at the top and draw it going downwards and to the right. 3. Connect these lines with a horizontal line in the middle. To write the small letter A, 1. Start with a single line on the paper, vertically. 2. Begin at the top of the line. 3. Curve downward to the left, forming a half-circle shape. This is the first part of the letter A. 4. Without lifting the pencil, continue from the bottom of the half-circle and draw a small tail curving to the right, connecting it back to the line you started from. Great! You've learned to write alphabet A, both in small and capital letters. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in learning. Until next time, keep shining and happy learning!